Spencer, you're going to draw a red panda.
Yeah, we're going to draw one drinking a boba drink. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be really fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can draw whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Remember, you can always use a pencil first to get the lines just the way that you want them and then use the marker at the end. Or you could just do the whole drawing with pencil or even crayon. Let's start by drawing our little boba drink. We're going to start by drawing a horizontal line right here in the middle of our paper. Then we're going to draw another line right below it that matches. And I'm going to extend mine just a little bit on the left so that it's a little wider. Yes. Then we're going to curve and connect the top down to the bottom on both sides. Now, let's draw the bottom of our cup. We're going to draw two lines coming in towards the bottom. And I'm going to draw it maybe this tall. And then we're going to connect them at the bottom together. The top of the cup, we're going to draw a lid. We're going to draw a half circle or rainbow line. Then let's draw our drink. And let's add the little bobos. We're going to draw circles inside the drink. And you can mix them up, just spread them out all over. You can add as many as you want. Then we're going to color these in. Now let's draw the straw. I'm going to draw a line coming straight down into the drink. And then we're going to draw another one matching right next to it. And then let's draw the top. And that's going into our red panda's mouth. So let's draw the nose right above it. We can draw a little oval shape and color that in. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. And we can also draw our little highlight in the top left of each eye and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And if our friends ever need extra time, if we're going too fast, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. Now let's draw our little panda's head. And we're going to start here, way over here on the left. And we're going to draw an upside down U. Going over the top. It's a really big head.
Yes.
And then we're going to draw the cheeks. I'm going to come down like this. And we're going to connect into the cup. And then I'm going to turn my paper a little sideways so I can see it better. And we're going to try to match the cheeks. It's okay if they're not exactly the same. This cheek's a little bit bigger. That's okay.
Same.
Now let's draw the ears. We're going to draw a curve that comes up to the left and also a curve coming up to the right. Now it's a bug with antennas. Then we're going to draw the ear coming down. Oh, and right before we connect in, I'm going to draw another little piece of fur sticking out just for fun. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Draw the curve coming down and then another little zigzag for the cheeks. Oh, and then let's draw the inside. We'll draw the same kind of upside down V and we'll do the same thing over here, but smaller inside. Nice. Now let's draw a little panda hanging onto the drink. We're going to draw a curve coming down and we're going to curve in. And then I'm also going to have a curve coming back. Then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw it coming down to match and curve in. And then we'll have it curving back out. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the feet. We're going to draw an oval shape, but look at this oval. It's pointing kind of diagonal up to the left. So the widest part is pointed that way. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing over here. Draw the same size oval, but pointing the other direction. Now let's draw the back coming down. And we're going to draw it curving into the bottom of the foot. And then, let's draw the leg right here connecting to the cup, and then also over here. Oh, and you could also add a little line right here for the top of the leg. And then what are we missing?
The tail.
Yeah, the tail. Let's draw a big puffy tail. We're going to draw it curving up and then back in. We did it. We finished drawing our red panda with a drink. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but remember you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute little red pandas taking a drink. And I especially love yours.
Thanks.
I love how squishy yours is. I want to squish its cheeks.
Same with yours.
You can pause the video to finish coloring your drawings. You can match ours or change the colors any way you want.
Don't forget to add a background too.
Oh yeah, maybe your red panda is at the park enjoying its drink.
Oh yeah.
And maybe a picnic.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a red panda with a drink.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turn out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.